Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Marvel Joy Galot Antonio, 26 years old. I have 2 children, 10 years old of my daughter, 4 years old of my son. I have 1 sister. I am the eldest of the family and I high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience for 3 years. I serving the family, 5 members of the family, and 1 couple, 3 children, 5 years old, 3 years old, 6 months. I do household like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and taking the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I check the temperature and call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have surgery cesarean section 4 years ago.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my children's future.
If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my father-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and I needed my job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. Work is done and I wake up in 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and kind with dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir, like head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Will you sing the nursery song?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, mom and sir. I hope you select me as helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.